Good morning, dear students. I hope you might have gone through the previous lessons and also you are enjoying the stay home. And by sitting in the house, by sitting in your respective homes, you are all enjoying these lessons. Today, after discussing on what are significant figures and what are the rules to know that whether the given number is significant or not, today we will discuss on these 3 points. First one is, whenever after the calculation, if you want to round off, there are some rules. So that point we discuss under this heading. Second one is scientific notation, and the third one is examples of scientific notation. So now we will begin the first point, that is points to be remembered while rounding off the numbers. Rule number 1. Rule number 1. After your calculation, if you want to round off, first to concentrate on the last digit. If the last digit is more than 5, that time its previous digit is increased by 1. For example, if your answer is 1.386, now please concentrate on the last digit. It is more than 5. If it is more than 5, previous number is increased by 1. So your answer should be rounded up to 1.39. This is what rule number or point number 1. Second point, if your last digit is less than 5, no need to increase the previous digit. Example, 4.334 is rounded off to 4.33 because the last digit is less than 5, so no need to increase the previous number by 1, therefore it is kept as it is. So 4.334 is rounded off to 4.33. And point number 3 or rule number 3 is, this rule says if the last digit is more than 5, this is less than 5. If it is exactly 5, for that also rules are there. Now, if the last digit is exactly 5, that time we have to concentrate on its previous number, whether it is even or odd. Okay. Now, if it is even, what to do? If it is odd, what to do? With examples. 6.35. 6.35. Second number, 6.25. 6.25. Now, this number, 6.35. I want to round off to the 1 decimal place. See the second decimal place. It is exactly 5. What to do? That is, see the previous digit. If the previous digit is odd number, if it is odd number, then you increase. So this is rounded off to 6.4. And if the previous number is even number, that time no need to increase the the previous number. It is written 6.2 only. This rule is for if the digit is exactly 5. These two are more than 5 and less than 5. So these are the 3 rules for rounding off the number after the calculations. Now we will go for the point number 2, that is scientific notation. Scientific notation. We will designate, we will represent scientific notation. Chemistry is the science of atoms, molecules and their transformations. This we have learned in the previous class or the previous discussion. Now, atoms are very small in size, but their number is large. A small dot on the blackboard contains millions of atoms. Quantity is less, but the number is more. Size of atom is small. So whenever things are too big or huge, if the things are or material is or the sample is too small, minute, meager, that time we have to write on the blackboard by taking the more space, and it will consume time also. So scientists, chemists, teachers and students, what they have done to minimize the large numbers, huge numbers, or the meager, small, too small numbers, we have made one notation that is known as the scientific notation. To express the huge number, to express the too small numbers in a way, that way is called as what? Scientific notation. This scientific notation has three parts. Part number one. This is called coefficient. Second part, base. Third part, exponent. Example: 6.022 into 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4. In this scientific notation, this is called scientific notation. Which one is coefficient? This is called coefficient. This should be, that is, we express the numbers in scientific notation with a single digit. This should be 1 to 9.99, not double digit like 10 point, 12 point, no. So this should be single digit, starting from 1.1 till 9.99. You can write up to 9.99, but not 10. That is called coefficient. And this number, base, this is called base 10. Okay. Now, what is exponent? Exponent is, this is the exponent, which will tell 10 to the power how much? Coefficient starting from 1 to 9.99, base 10 base, this is exponent. This is the way to write the number in the scientific notation. Some examples I have taken here. 213. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to represent? This is equal to 2.13. 2.13. See, I am placing decimal after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2.13 into 10 to the power 8. This 8 represents this many digits. I have moved to place a point here. So 2.13 into 10 to the power of 8. So this is called scientific notation of this big number. Second example, 6023. Now here I have to represent see, what a huge number. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. One more number here, 23. This is equal to what? This is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and decimal here. So, scientific notation for this huge number is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Coefficient is between 1 to 9.9 and base 10 is there, and this 10 after how many zeros or after how many digits we have placed the decimal. So this is called scientific notation for this number. I think this number you know very well. This is very close to the Avogadro's number. See, Avogadro was working on the atoms and molecules. In 1 mole, how many molecules are there? In 1 mole, how many small particles are there? So particles are small, their number is more. Now, every time writing this is very difficult. So using this notation, he was calculating the numbers, and we also do in the class or making the notes. One more example. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 30 crores. How it is written? It is written 3 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the power 8. This is also an important number. This is the speed of light. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So this is the way we represent this number in the scientific notation. One more example. 0.00872. It is written as, see, I am moving decimal from now left to right. Earlier I was moving the decimal from right to left. That time it is a positive. Now left to right. That time it will be, the exponent will be negative. So it is 8.72 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 10 to the power minus 3. One more example. See, huge number. Now I have to place decimal here. After how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. So this equal to 9.108 into 10 to the power. You see here 1, 2, 3. In the same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So it is 10 to the power of minus 31. How much space it is taking, and how much space it is taking, how much time it is consuming, So that's why they have made to write down the huge number or the minute number in the form of what? Scientific notation. This is, we will learn in the second chapter, this is the mass of the electron. Okay, so that's why I have taken well-known numbers. So this is the way we write the bigger numbers or the small numbers in the scientific notation form. Okay. Now we will go for some examples on this scientific notation. A small break, please.